Okay guys, so literally dielectric grease in all of them, and then it's as simple as literally just reversing the process, putting the plug wire on for your coil, and then putting your plug on down low. And once you feel a little pop, you're gonna know that it's on. That's all it is. So just repeat the process all the way around. And sometimes finding the hole's harder than you think. Okay, so that side's done. Now we move back over to this side. And we'll start with the hardest one first, because it's in the weary back and it's a pain in the ass. And we'll see if I have enough time and I can get this done in 3 minutes. Ow. Okay, looks like we're about done. One plug left. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and hook back up and see if we have any more misfires. Okay, and that is all the plugs replaced, or all the wires replaced. Hey, glass brother. Okay, really fast, we'll just run through this quickly. It looks like everything is optimal, no issues. We'll go bring 27%, which is what I want, command, because this is the downside, this is your downstream. And we're running good, so downstream's good. Let's check bank 1, which is your upstream. 50%, 61. I want it between 50 and 70. So we're good on, everything's running okay. All tests are passed. No issues. So ideally when I reset these codes, hopefully this solves the issue. If this doesn't solve the issue, then unfortunately, he's going to have to buy catalytic converters. I'm sorry. I can't help that. It's your truck. It's your truck, not mine.
Magical new catalytic.
So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and just kill the engine, and we're going to erase the codes. Code successfully erased. Read codes. And this will be the third time that I get to say this, guys. 60 miles. Hopefully it doesn't come back on.
Another 65 miles. Let's go.